Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello everybody, I'm PS Chatterjee with you. Today, commentary on IS-456-2000, clause number 5.5, admixtures, and clause 5.6, reinforcement. This is part 4. Today, I have 4 questions for my regular viewers. What do you want to know from me? Number 1, I can demonstrate how you can develop your own Excel sheet for structural elements. Number 2, I can make general discussion on civil engineering related topic as much as I know. Number 3, should I continue the beam analysis for partial load in Excel? Number 4, I can demonstrate you how to operate StatPro V8i efficiently in near future. Problem of demonstrating StatPro V8i are as follows. Legal problem, required original software, require good quality computer. As a result of this, I need lots of money to invest. Now, you are my teacher. Please write in the comment section what do you want to know. I need only 100 dedicated viewers. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you are watching my video first time, before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Structural design only, a channel with different vision. Clause 5.5 of IS-456-2000, it is admixture. 5.5.1, admixture. Admixture is used Admixture, if used, shall compile with IS 9103. Previous experience with and data on such material should be considered in relation to the likely standard and of supervision and workmanship to the work being specified. 5.5.2, admixture should not impair durability of concrete, nor combine with the constituent from harmful compounds, nor increase the risk of corrosion of reinforcement. 5.5.3, the workability, compressive strength, and the strength loss of concrete with and without the use of admixture shall be established during the trial mix before use of a admixture. Number 5.5.4, the relative density of liquid admixture shall be checked for each drum containing admixtures and compared with the specified value before acceptance. 5.5.5, the chloride content of admixture shall be independently tested for each batch before acceptance. 5.5.6, if two or more admixtures are used simultaneously in the same concrete mix, data should be obtained to assess their interaction to ensure their compatibility. Examples of admixture as per clause 5.5 of IS-456-2000. Number 1. Plasticizer. This admixture improves the workability of concrete, allowing for easier placement and compaction without increasing water content. Plasticizer are used in a concrete, a chemical activity typically composed of organic compounds such as lignosulfonates, polycarboxylates, naphthalene, sulfonate, formaldehyde, condensate, melamine sulfonates, and other similar substances. These organic compounds act by displacing cement particle and reducing the water to cement ratio in the concrete mix, thereby improving workability and reducing water content without compromising strength or durability. The exact chemical composition of plasticizer can be vary depending on the specific product and manufacturer. Super plasticizer. Similar to plasticizer, super plasticizer enhance workability of concrete, but they provide greater water reduction capability, allowing for higher strength and better flow properties. Superplasticizers are chemical admixture typically composed of synthetic polymers such as sulfonated melamine, formaldehyde, SMF, sulfonated naphthalene, formaldehyde, SNF, polycarboxylates, PC, and modified lignosulfonates. These polymers contain functional group that help depress cement particle and reduces water content in concrete mix, improving water workability without losing strength or durability. And accelerator. Accelerating admixture speeds up the initial setting time of concrete, which is particularly used in cold weather conditions and when rapid construction progress is required. Example. An example of accelerator commonly used in concrete is calcium chloride. This compound, when added to the concrete mix in small quantity, accelerates the rate of cement hydration, allowing for faster setting time, particularly in cold weather conditions or when rapid construction progress is necessary. Chemical composition of accelerators. Accelerator used in concrete typically contain inorganic compounds such as calcium chloride, calcium nitrate, or triethanolamine. These compounds facilitates the early setting of concrete by speeding up the hydration reaction between cement and water. Retarder. Retarding Retarding admixture delay the setting time of concrete, providing more time for transportation, placement and finishing. They are beneficial in hot weather or large-scale projects where executed workability is necessary. Example of retardator. An example of retarders used in concrete is sodium gluconate. When added to concrete mix, sodium gluconate extends the setting time, providing more time for transportation, placement, and finishing. This is particularly useful in hot weather or large-scale projects where extended workability is necessary. Air entering agents. The admixture introduces microscopic air bubbles into the concrete mix, improving its resistance to freezing thaw cycle and enhancing durability in harassed weather conditions. Example of air entering agent. An example of air entering agent used in concrete is alkali benzene sulfonate. When added to concrete mix, alkali benzene sulfonate helps create thin air bubbles throughout the mixture, increasing its resistance to freezing and thawing cycle. This particular beneficial in climates with flu- fluctuating fluctuating temperature or where exposure to harass weather condition is expected. Chemical composition of air entering agents. Air entering agents in concrete typically consist of soap or detergent such as alkali, benzene, sulfonates, or fatty acid, salt. These compounds stabilize microscopic air bubble within the concrete mix, enhancing its resistance to freeze and thaw cycle, and improving durability. Conclusion: the exact chemical composition and molecular structure of superplasticizer may vary between different manufacturers but and product formulation. Each type of superplasticizer is designed to provide specific performance characteristics and benefit of in concrete mix. Clause number 5.6 of IS-456-2000 reinforcement. 5.6 Reinforcement. The reinforcement shall be any of the following: 5.6.a Mild steel and medium steel bar conforming to IS-432 Part 1. Mild steel is a low carbon steel, yield strength 250 to 300 Newton per millimeter square, tensile strength ranging from 400 to 450 Newton per millimeter square. It is relatively soft and easy to weld. It has high workability. Today, we generally use mild steel bar as a non-structural component such as grills, windows, frames, gates, and fencing due to their affordability, easy to fabricate. These applications typically do not require high tensile strength or load-bearing capacity. 5.6.b High strength deformed steel bar conforming to IS 1786. High strength deformed steel bar have a yield strength FY that is 4.15 to 600 megapascal, that means Newton per millimeter square, and a tensile strength of 485 to 650 megapascal. CTS, a cold twisted bar, and TMT, a thermomechanically treated bar, are the example of deformed bar. Advantage of TMT, thermomechanically treated bars, over CTS bar or cold twisted steel bar. Number 1. Homogeneity of steel. In CTS bar, achieving homogeneity is challenging due to cold twisting process. This may result in slight variation in the material property along the length of the bar. Number 2. Ductility comparison. The ductility of CTS bar is relatively lower compared to TMT bar. This means that CTS bar may have less ability to deform before fracturing under tensile stress. Advantage of TMT bar and CST bar continuation. Number 3. Residual strain and corrosion. Cold deformation during the manufacturing process of CTS bars can lead to the development of residual strain within the steel. This residual strain can create vulnerable area prone to corrosion if the bar are not adequately protected or maintained. This points provides valuable insight into the characteristic and potential limitation of CTS bar compared to TMT bar, offering viewers and better understanding of their properties and application in construction. Now question is where we can use cold twisted steel bar and why. Number 1. Cost of CTS bar are 10% to 20% less than TMT bar. Number 2. Low to medium structure. CTS bar may be suitable for low to medium load bearing structures such as residential building, small bridges, culvert and pedestrian walkways. Number 3. Non-critical reinforcement. In area where high tensile strength and ductility are not critical requirements such as non-load bearing wall, partitioning or decorative elements, CTS bar can be utilized effectively. Number 4. Temporary structure. CTS bar can be used in temporary structure for formwork where their low cost relative to other reinforcement option may be advantageous provided that structural requirements are not met. Sorry, structural requirements are met. The number five, localized reinforcement. In situation where localized reinforcement is needed, such as in repair retrofitting projects, CTS bar can be employed effectively. Number six, localized structural element. For specific structure within a large construction project such as lintel, beams or columns with relative low load bearing requirement, CTS bar may be suitable. Clause 5.6 of IS-456-2000 reinforcement 5.6 C. Hard drawn steel wire fabric conforming IS-1566. Hard drawn steel wire fabric is a strong and durable material made from interconnected wire in a grid pattern commonly used in construction applications such as reinforcing concrete and making fence. Ultimate tensile strength 540 to 690 Newton per square millimeter. Yield strength 450 to 600 Newton per square millimeter. And this is a picture of hard drawn steel wire fabric. 5.6.D Structural steel conforming grade A of IS 2062. What is structural steel conforming grade A of IS 2062? Structural steel grade A manufactured as per IS 2062 for crucial construction where strength, flexibility are main criteria. Structural steel conforming grade A of IS 2062 typical has minimum yield strength of 250 Newton per millimeter square and minimum tensile strength of 410 Newton per millimeter square. This value may vary slightly depending on factors such as the thickness of the steel plate or specific requirement of the project. Key features of structural steel grade A are as follows. Number 1. High strength. Grade A steel exhibits excellent tensile strength and yield strength, making it suitable for withstanding heavy load and structural stress. Number 2. Ductility. It offers good ductility, allowing to deform without fracturing under stress, which is crucial for structural safety. Weldability. Grade A steel is weldable, facilitating ease to fabrication and construction and emblazing the creation of complex structure. Number 4. Corrosion resistance. Even though it is not naturally good at resisting rust and corrosion, applying a right surface treatment or coating can help it withstand rust and corrosion better. This can make it last longer, especially in tough conditions. Application structure still conforming to grade A of IS 2062. Grade A structure still finds widespread use in various construction projects, including building, bridge, tower, and infrastructure. Application. It is continuation of application steel structure still conforming grade A of IS 2062. 2. 0.02 or 2. It is employed in fabrication of beam, column, channel angle, and other structural components. Number 3. It is versatile allows Its versatility allows for the creation of diverse structural design ranging from simple framework to complex architectural structure. Conclusion. Structural steel conforming to grade A of IS 2062 is a found is a foundation or building block material in construction, offering a combination of strength, ductility, weldability, and versatility. It adheres to IS 2062 standard ensures reliability and performance, making it indispensable for modern structural engineering in the world. And this is the end of commentary on IS-456 2000 Part 4. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.